Today, I want to show you something very important. Not motivation. Not theory. Proof. A lot of people ask me, is Upwork still worth it? Can someone really make money there? Is it only for people abroad? So, instead of answering with my own opinion, I want to show you real Upwork profiles of very successful freelancers. Look at this profile carefully. This person didn't start as an expert. They started with 0 reviews, just like everyone else. But notice a few things. Their profile is clear and specific. They don't offer everything. They sell one strong skill. Their headline speaks directly to a problem clients have, and their proposals convert, not because they beg, but because they position themselves as a solution. Now look at the earnings. These are not $10 jobs. These are high-value clients. Recurring work, long-term contracts. What I want you to understand is this. Upwork rewards clarity, not luck. These freelancers are not special. They just understood how the platform works and played the game correctly. If you're watching this and thinking, I'm not good enough yet, I don't have experience, the market is saturated. Let me tell you this. Every single person you're seeing on this screen once felt the same way. The difference is that they optimized their profiles. They learned how to pitch, and they stayed consistent. So don't just watch these profiles for inspiration. Study them. Model what works. Improve what you already have. And if you want me to break down any of these profiles, step by step, headline, overview, pricing, proposals, let me know in the comments. This is not theory. This is proof that Upwork still works if you work it the right way. Subscribe and follow for more tips.